National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Stearns County in central Minnesota, south central Todd County in central Minnesota, until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sauk Center, or 21 miles east of Alexandria, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: train spotters reported quarter-size hail 5 miles north of Sauk Center. The following impacts. Locations impacted include Sauk Center and Little Sauk. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and has produced large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Todd, Minnesota,